In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a scatter plot in Excel. A scatter plot is perfect for visualizing the relationship between two numeric variables. Think of it as a way to see whether one value tends to increase, as the other does, or if there's no clear pattern at all. We'll keep this simple and clear so you can follow along confidently. First, start by highlighting the data you want to plot. Ideally, your worksheet has two adjacent columns, the first for your X values and the second for your Y values. You can include headers at the top. Excel will use those as labels. Click and drag to select the full range, making sure there are no blank rows in the middle. If your data isn't lining up later, double-check that the entries are stored as numbers, not text. Next, go to the Insert tab on the ribbon. This is where all charting tools live in Excel. With your data still selected, you'll see different chart icons and categories appear. Click on the line chart icon to create a quick placeholder chart. Don't worry if you see lines connecting points. This is just a starting point and a fast way to get a chart on the sheet. We're going to convert it to exactly what we need. With the line chart selected, click Change Chart Type. You'll find this on the Chart Design tab that appears when a chart is selected. You can also access it by right-clicking the chart and choosing Change Chart Type, whichever is quicker for you. This opens a window where you can switch to different chart families. In the list of chart types, choose XY, Scatter. For a clean, classic scatter plot, pick the option that shows only markers without connecting lines. This tells Excel to plot each pair of X and Y values as a precise point, using a true numeric scale on both axes, which is what distinguishes a scatter plot from a standard line chart. Finally, click OK to apply the change. Your chart will instantly update into a scatter plot. You should see points distributed across the X and Y axes according to your data. If anything looks off, like points aligning vertically, it usually means the X values weren't recognized as numbers, or the selection missed a column. At this stage, you can make quick refinements to improve readability. Add a descriptive chart title, rename the horizontal and vertical axes to reflect your variables, and adjust marker size or color so the points are easy to see. If you need to emphasize patterns, consider adding grid lines or a trend line later. And that's it. Your scatter plot in Excel is ready to explore and share.